So today I have come up with another interesting topic. So by the end of the session, I am very sure that you think at least once how science is closely related to our day-to-day life activities. So let's not anymore look at science as principles or formulas or laws, okay? So come, let's learn some science together through our real life activities. Yes? So let's start from the basics. We all know solids, liquids and gases, right? So what is the basic difference between these three? We can say as solid has definite shape, whereas liquid and gas takes the shape of the container, right? Yes. Why is it so? Because the particles in solid are tightly bound, so that they cannot move here and there, instead they can twist and turn, okay? Whereas liquids are less tightly bound when compared to solids, so they can move, right? Whereas gases, they are freely movable, that is they are loosely bound, okay? So they can travel to as much distance as they can, okay? So this is what we will have to understand for the concept that we are going to learn today. Yes? As you know, gas particles are loosely bound, okay? So they can move in any direction or any distance irrespective of their quantity, right? Now let us consider an example for the better understanding of our concept, okay? So consider a big jar and imagine you have 1000 gas particles inside that jar, okay? So at some temperature, and you will know the pressure now and you know the mass of the particles, okay? Now I am taking a small jar and I want that 1000 gas particles to be fit inside the small jar. So what will I have to do? I will have to apply pressure in order to compress the gas and fit inside the small jar, right? Yes. So as a result, what happens is your pressure increases whereas your volume decreases. Yes. So this is what is said by the great scientist called Boyle, and his law is called as Boyle's law. Clear? So the law states that at constant temperature, the pressure of a given quantity of gas is inversely proportional to its volume. So pressure is denoted by the letter P and volume by letter V. So P is inversely proportional to V, or else in order to equate it, you can write it as PV is equal to constant. Let the constant be K. Okay. So when your pressure increases, your volume decreases. When your pressure decreases, your volume increases. Clear? Yes. Now how to prove it experimentally is by taking a jar containing gas particles. Now I am going to apply weight, okay? When I apply weight, it gets compressed, so automatically your pressure increases and your volume decreases, right? So note down the readings for different weights and finally plot it in a graph. You will get a straight line which shows that as your pressure increases, your volume decreases and vice versa. So I hope you are all clear with Boyle's law, right? So where do we actually use Boyle's law? You can just think of a syringe, okay, which is used to take medicine, okay? So what will you do? When you pull back the plunger, the medicine will come inside, right? That means the volume increases, so your pressure decreases. So when you push your plunger inside, what happens? Your volume decreases, whereas your pressure increases, and that's why the medicine gets injected to your body. Clear? We'll consider one more real-time example. Okay, you just think of a soda can. Have you ever wondered that when you open the lid of a can, it rushes out, right? The liquid along with the gas rushes out. Why is it so? So the soda can consist of liquid as well as carbon dioxide in compressed form. So it means it is under high pressure, right? So when you open the lid, you actually reduce pressure and thus increasing the volume. That is why it rushes out when you open the lid. Clear? So you can just think of a cycle pump. It works quite similar to that of a syringe. It is also based on Boyle's law. So there are many applications around us which is purely science, but we haven't noticed, okay? So I think I was able to bring at least a few applications in front of you. Yes? So I hope I was able to convey my concepts clearly to you. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the support given. Keep supporting. So thank you.